Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video, I would like to give you an overview of my online course, Combined Heat and Power Cogeneration Fundamentals. Please note that with the completion of this online course, you will get a certificate of completion that you can show to your employer or potential employers that you have mastered the fundamental concepts of combined heat and power cogeneration. If you're interested, I've put the link to this course in the YouTube video description below. With this course, you will learn the fundamental knowledge of combined heat and power and cogeneration. You also learn the various engineering considerations and design process of cogeneration plants, as well as other cogeneration applications besides heat generation. This course is for professionals who are interested working with cogeneration plants, as well as people who just got a job in the power energy industry and look for ways to get foundation knowledge. Lastly, this course is for students who are interested in energy efficiency and want to understand how we can create a sustainable future with cogeneration technologies. So now let us go over the course outline for this particular cogeneration fundamentals course. We will start off with our foundation section, where we're going to teach you the fundamental concepts for cogeneration in our Cogeneration 101. Then we will look at the different types of generation used, as well as the concepts of thermodynamics and the Rankine cycle. Moving on from foundations, we will then look at the consideration section. We will first talk about the various engineering considerations for cogen plants. Then we will look at the overall design process. We will then look at what kind of permits that we need, what kind of reliability and environmental aspects that we need to consider for these plants, as well as the general costing things that you will need to consider when you are designing or engineering a cogeneration facility. Next, we will then look at other cogeneration applications. So first, we're going to look at the desalination application to cogen facilities, as well as the pyrolysis application for these infrastructures. And lastly, we will go over the various standards and documentation that are relevant when we're looking at designing or engineering cogeneration facilities. And this basically sums up what is contained in this online course. Now, of course, I do have other courses that I made available in various online portals that offer certificate of completion, as well as teaching you the fundamental important concepts for your career within the utility, as well as the energy industry. Another way that you can connect with me is through Twitter and YouTube. So if you want to connect me in Twitter, you could actually look at my Twitter handle, EE Bootcamp, in which you can look at the latest news in the world of electrical engineering. And of course, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel to get the latest free training videos, as I offer a lot of non-certificate completion online courses, mini courses, as well as other interesting concepts regarding to the utility and the energy world. And lastly, of course, I have left the link for this course in the YouTube video description. So if you're interested in enrolling this course, please click the link in the YouTube video description below. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my courses.